They look good. Let me add some oil for you. And
Wait
what
1
happened?
second.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I've wanted younger hands, and finally, okay, I know I can't have that.
Okay.
But is there anything you can do to make them look more feminine?
For your hands?
Yes, just
Well, I don't know. I'm more like a nail tech. I don't do fingers or hands. I think that's more like a doctor, like Botox. Do you ever look into that? Because here, you know what?
never mind.
No, here.
It's not Botox.
Okay, well, let me add some oil for you. It's just a little ashy. Let me go ahead, because sometimes when you have ashy skins, it just makes it look a little bit manly, more rusty, you know? So let me add some oil, because a little oil goes a long way, you know? Do you want some? You want some for your elbow too, or no?
No.
What?
No, just finish the job.
Okay, well, here, let me rub some of your elbow a little bit.
No, that's okay.
You sure?
Oh, I am positive.
I mean,
You know what? Actually, I can rub these.
No,
in
no, I
myself.
got you.
No. How much do I owe you?
You know what? I can rub it for you. You're doing my job.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're doing my job, yeah. Let me rub it for you, okay? Let me give you some oil. You look like you need to be a little bit moist. You're a little bit dry. Let me rub for you. How do you like that? You like it hard or slow? You like that?
I do.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Let me help you out. Yeah. Do you want your elbow?
No,
rubbed to
that's okay.
I can go ahead and the most I can do to your armpit. Like, you want me to go ahead and like add some oil to your armpit?
Dude.
I know a lot of people don't really offer that, but if you want, I mean, it's up to you. I mean, you say you want your. What happened?
No, I was talking about my hands.
Yeah. What about your
And
hand?
now you've worked your way up to my frickin' armpit.
Yeah.
Let's just stick with the hands, and we'll do it like that.
Well, I don't know what you want me to do with your hand. I mean.
Well, obviously, I just want them to look more feminine.
Okay. Well, the only way to make these hands look more feminine, like I say, you just have to add some oil onto your hand. They look a little bit ashy, and sometimes when you have ashy skin, they look a little bit dry and like hard. And that's my solution. I don't know what else to do unless you want to go get some Botox, inject a couple of needles in here, and then it might stretch out your skin like that. But be honest with you, like, I'm a nail tech. Like, I'm not a miracle worker, so I can't just fix your hand. Like, I can get your nail, like, from here, it looks nice, but down here, that's on you, boo. Like, I'm not responsible to make your nail. But what I can do here, let me rub some oil, and let me just go ahead and just. Do you want me to go ahead and rub your armpit? Yes or no?
No.
So no, you don't need oil in the armpit.
Nope.
How about your elbow?
Nope.
You don't need none of that. Why you
it.
sound so mad? I'm
Because
just trying to explain to you why your hands are
Because
like that.
You know what? Do you talk to all your clients like this?
No, I'm just explaining to you why your hand's not feminine. Like, what do you want me to do? I just want to help you out.
You just want to help me out, but you sit there and you insult me just because I'm asking, is there any way I can get my hands to look more feminine?
And I'm trying to tell you, just put some lotion on there. You're a lack of lotion.
Okay, I'm going to do the lotion. But you need to find another way to talk to people. How much do I owe you?
You know what? Just shut up and leave.